Today, I'll show you how to convert JPG to PDF on PC and mobile devices. Here are 4 methods available for all platforms. The first method is using the virtual printer on Windows devices. Select the JPG files and right-click. Choose the print feature and click on it. Select a virtual printer like Microsoft Print to PDF. You can change the paper size and layout of the PDF. You can preview the PDF here. Click the print button to convert these JPG files to a PDF. This is the printed PDF. The printed PDF file matches the preview. The picture quality remains high. The next solution is a desktop app for Windows and Mac users. Windows users can search for PDFgear in your browser. Download and install PDFgear from our official website. You can easily install PDFgear by following the prompts. Then use PDFgear to convert JPG files to PDF files. Here is the converter for you. Select the Image to PDF feature and add the JPG files to PDFgear. Change the order of files in the output PDF if necessary. Click Convert to merge these images into one PDF. You can still see the brush strokes clearly in the PDF file. You can also convert each image to a separate PDF file. All of the converted PDF files will be saved here. Mac users can download and install PDFgear from the App Store. Search for PDFgear in the App Store. Recognize PDFgear and get it. Open PDFgear and find the Image to PDF button. Add JPG files here. You can choose to output these images in one PDF or separately. The paper size of the converted PDF file matches your selection, but it will not lose the quality. The third solution is for iPhone users. iPhone users can also install PDFgear from the App Store. After installing PDFgear, select the images in Photos. Click the Share button and find the Convert to PDF feature. Click it to convert the selected images to PDF files. Each image will be converted into a separate PDF file. The last solution is an online tool for Android users. Open your browser and search for PDFgear. Make sure to go to the official website. Click on Products to find the online tool. Then upload the images you want to convert. Click the Convert button after previewing. The conversion will take some time. Then you can download the converted PDF file to your phone. Here is the downloaded PDF file. PDFgear provides you with many PDF solutions. Download PDFgear now and enjoy more features. See you in the next video.